Hey guys, how are you? I hope you all are fine and spending the good day with the great condition of your health. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and I'm here with my another video. And my this video is about some high pencil heels, which looks really beautiful and really amazing. And as you see, this one is also a very nice beige color. It looks really beautiful and really pretty. And this one is also very nice. It's in a black color, which looks really beautiful. And watch this video till the end, then you will get some ideas about the different kind of heels that can help you to upgrade the collection of your heels, to upgrade the collection of your heels. And high pencil heel is a sleek and sophisticated footwear option that exudes elegance and poise, characterized by its long cylinder heel and narrow design. A high pencil heel can instantly elevate any outfit, adding a touch of glamour and sophistication, like whether paired with a formal gown or pencil skirt or a pair of tailored trousers. High pencil heel can create a stunning and polished look. And if you like this video, so don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So today's video is about to end. Bye bye and take care. See you in the next YouTube video.